Okay guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to clean and install a new processor into your computer. So the processor I'm using today is the Ryzen 20 million 100X T. It goes for about 5p on eBay, and it will last you about 3 months. So very good processor, very good. Today I'm going to tell you how to install it and how to clean it first of all. I've got to be quiet because my mum's being beaten to death in the kitchen. Sorry about that, guys. Right. So first of all, you want to clean the processor. So you'll need 3 things for this. You'll need toothpaste, toilet roll, and cocaine. So first of all, you want to get a bit of the toothpaste. Yeah, there we go. Not loads, you just want like a pea-sized amount here. You want to get that toothpaste. You want to get a can of cocaine. Pour the cocaine on there. And then just push the toilet roll on. And use what you got from that side on the other side. Make sure you get it nice and covered, because both sides have to be clean, otherwise it won't work. So now it's nice and clean. You want to put the processor in, and you don't have to be gentle with it. It's not a delicate component. So now I've got that in. You want to install your CPU fan. Now, a lot of people will tell you that you need thermal paste. That is utter bollocks. All you need is a bit of toothpaste, which you've already applied, and sheer strength. So you might not get it the first time. You want to put this little lever down, and then you just want to smash it on there. Try and get it with the corner to make sure you really get it down. Scrape it around a bit, and then you want to plug it in one of the many fan slots on your PC. I have one right here, and you might see a lot of tech channels online telling you that this is dangerous and will break your processor. Now, I believe those tech channels are all part of a conspiracy. They want you to spend money on really expensive components because they have affiliate links on Amazon. This is all you need to do, and this processor is now capable of minus 37 terahertz, I believe. So you should be able to get some good minesweeper with this thing. You can you can run pretty much any game without even a graphics card. I've got one installed because I like to render a lot of lolly hentai on my computer, and it helps to have a graphics card like that. So thanks for listening, guys. Hope you've enjoyed my tutorial. Like and subscribe. Share this video around. If this video hits 2 likes, I'll make a tutorial on how to clean and install a graphics card.